Black History Month report. A biography of John Lewis by Dan Hallback. John Robert Lewis was born February 21st, 1940 in Troy, Alabama to sharecroppers. Due to Jim Crow laws, John Lewis went to an all-black school. John Lewis did not like that the schools were segregated. He wanted black and white students to be together at one school. His parents, however, did not want him to challenge the laws. As a little boy, he would also practice preaching to the chickens on his family's farm. When John Lewis was younger, he was one of the big six of the civil rights movement. In 1986, John Lewis was voted into the House of Representatives for Georgia's 5th District. John Lewis was a brave civil rights leader whose life centered around equal rights for everyone, no matter the color of their skin. Some challenges that John Lewis faced was he was beaten by the police. He was also put in jail for peacefully protesting. John Lewis stood up for equal rights for all people. He wanted to make sure that everyone had the right to vote. He would assist other great civil rights leaders, putting their own civil at risk to make sure that the future was brighter than the past. We all are connected and we each impact each other's lives with every action and every word that we say. John Lewis fought for everyone's right to vote, no matter the color of their skin. He was also a part of the Freedom Riders. John Lewis became a part of this movement to make sure that the South was following the law that stated that segregated public buses were illegal. He and his friends were beat and placed in jail for peacefully protesting for the rights of all people. He would later on, if life become a U.S. congressman that co-sponsored several bills to help everyone. One thing I learned was that we have the right to protest, but it must be peaceful. I learned that John Lewis and other civil rights leaders bared that scars of racism so that we didn't have to. John Lewis taught us a lot of lessons throughout his life. He taught us that we must exercise our right to vote because it's a powerful, peaceful tool. He then taught us to never give up on what you believe is right. Finally, we should always help one another. Treat your country and everyone in it as you would treat yourself. You are a light. You are the light. Never let anyone, any person, or any force dampen dim or diminish your light, release all bitterness. Hold only love and peace in your heart, knowing that the battle of good to overcome evil is already won. Thank you.